2 divided by 4 by 2 times 4. What is the value for this expression? So let's solve. We can write this expression as bracket 2 divided by 4 divided by bracket 2 times 4. Now you know the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. Here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D division, A addition, and S subtraction. So here first we'll do the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division. Here you have to remember multiplication and division both have equal priorities. Therefore we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. So 2 divided by 4, this we can write as 2 by 4. First we'll solve the parenthesis, means bracket part. So here bracket part is there. So this one, see, we can write this as 2 by 4. Divide by bracket 2 times 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 1 by 2 divide by 2 fours are 8. Now here you know the KCF rule, which is keep, change, flip. In this, keep the first fraction as it is. Change this division into multiplication and flip this fraction. Means 8 by 1 is there. So here 1 by 8. So the final value is 1 by 16.